Hidden in the rolling hills of South Herefordshire stand two churches, just a few hundred yards apart. One is a haunting medieval ruin. The other, a proud Victorian survivor. This is the story of Llanwarne and the battle against water that shaped its soul. Two churches. One story. Llanwarne reminds us how communities adapt to nature's challenges while holding on to their heritage. From a marshy medieval site to a Victorian solution that has stood the test of time. Coming to this channel in July. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.